I'm John Elliott. I've spent the last 30 years developing ways of protecting your home. Every day, your house may have to deal with unwanted moisture from breathing, cooking and laundry. By using an Ebac Dehumidifier, you can help reduce this unwanted moisture and enjoy a better environment. And it's not just old homes who are at risk. Almost every home would benefit from an Ebac Dehumidifier. Ebac Dehumidifiers are available from Comet and many other leading retailers throughout the country. You can also buy direct from Ebac by calling 0800 587 5859 or by visiting our website. Try an Ebac today, and if you're not completely satisfied, I'll give you your money back.